Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change the photo on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log in. Now on your screen you can see options like chats, stories, share a thought, search bar, create new message and menu. On the top left corner, select that menu option, then go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can see a small camera sign right below your picture. Tap on that small camera button, then you can see options like take photo or choose from library appearing from the bottom of your screen. You can either take a photo or choose from library. I'm gonna choose from library. I'm gonna select this picture, adjust it, then tap on done. Now all you have to do is tap on save profile picture, and guys, that's it. That's how you change your photo on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.